You ask Tiger to solve. This deals with linear equations with one unknown. The final result is t equals 1. Let's solve it step by step. Simplify the expression. Expand the parentheses. Simplify the arithmetic. Group all t terms on the left side of the equation. Add 3t to both sides. Simplify the arithmetic. Group like terms. Simplify the arithmetic. Isolate the t. Divide both sides by -15. Cancel out the negatives. Simplify the fraction. Cancel out the negatives. Simplify the fraction. And so the final result is t equals 1.